Okay, to take a look at the Cordless electric spin scrubber. This actually comes with a mesh bag, so we can put the whole thing in here. We can still allow that to dry out. We got a buffing pad and we got a scrubbing pad, and these both appear to be hook and loop material. Then we got the holder for it. It looks like it has a square drive. It just sticks right on. We got a couple of brush heads, so nice like medium strength bristles on here. And I really like this one because you can actually fit that into smaller spaces and you can really work the edges. So especially for anything conical shaped or tapered, this is going to be a great brush head to have for that. Here is the tool. So there's a spot where we can throw a tether if we want to. We've got a USB-C charging port in the bottom. Looks like a power button. That's pretty interesting. A square drive on the front. And we also got a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. So it looks like these will just click in. I really like that it actually runs at a nice slow speed, so you don't have to worry about this thing grabbing and taking off on you. That's cool. Now, slow speed can also be important because what that usually means is that it has a lot of torque behind it. So whereas something that would go much faster, theoretically that could clean quicker, but then if you ever put too much pressure on it, that'll just stop the motor. With this one, yeah, I can put a lot of pressure on here and it will still keep on running. So that is very nice.